welcome to our latest video from Hardman Co. I'm Larissa Adams and I'm talking to Brian Moretta, our Head of Tax Enhanced Research. Brian, hi there. It's good to see you.
Hello. Good to see you again.
Hello. Okay, so we're going to talk about PAR EIS Fund and your review on them. So let's start with the investment strategy for the fund.
Sure. The PAR EIS Fund invests in unquoted technology companies, particularly those in the early stage of their technology commercialization. With a geographical focus on the northern part of the UK, and they co-invest alongside experienced angels. The investments are primarily in B2B deep tech sectors, which includes AI, advanced materials, and nanotechnology. The fund is evergreen, with no formal closings, and investors participate in the deal flow after their investment. Aims to provide a portfolio of 8 to 12 equal-sized investments for each investor, targeting an IRR of 15% per annum, which equates to roughly a doubling of the capital over a 5-year period.
Okay, so tell us a little bit more about the fund manager.
Well, PAR Equity has a team that brings a really diverse range of experience, includes robust strategy and substantial support from its angel network. The manager has been active since 2012 and manages a total funds under management of £194 million. The team has demonstrated the capacity to manage growth and navigate the complexities of early stage investments, particularly in the technology sector.
Okay, and how do they go about sourcing their deals?
PAR Equity sources potential deals from two main routes: direct approaches and referrals within the network, which includes over 220 participants in the PAR Investor Network. This network, which is particularly strong in Scotland, provides a key part of its investment process, offering deal flow, co-investment, and input into its due diligence. The firm has invested heavily in its IT platform, which includes a facility to companies to apply online for funding. It streamlines the administration and also facilitates easy sharing of data with the PAR Investor Network. Geographically, while PAR Equity looks at companies across the UK, over 2/3 of historical investments have been in Scotland.
Okay, so what is the after investment support like?
Well, after investment, PAR Equity provides substantial support to investing companies through a combination of appointing a board member from the PAR Investor Network or its community, and a member of the investment team takes an observer seat as well. The support is delivered primarily through these directors, especially in areas such as strategy, talent sourcing, general operational support, and corporate finance. The involvement of business angels with experience in the relevant area gives an extra level of comfort for investors, and PAR Equity's own diligence also depends on these views.
Great, so can you summarise the manager's past performance?
Well, PAR Equity has built a commendable track record since its inception in 2009, investing £151 million into 77 companies, with 29 company exits and currently averaging 2 to 3 exits a year, returning capital every year since 2013. The exits have produced an IRR of 24% and a 3.2 times return on capital, showcasing impressive figures over a steadily growing number of exits. PAR Equity has successfully built one of the most robust track records in the EIS industry, demonstrating its ability to identify and invest in companies that have the potential to deliver substantial returns.
All right, well, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much, Brian. To our viewers, please don't forget to like the video and join in the conversation wherever you're watching. You can find the link in the description below. That's to the full report so you don't miss it. And we appreciate your time. Otherwise, we'll see you back here next time. Thanks.